Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna talk about this great plugin, this FET Compressor Universal Audio 1176 Low Noise Limiting Amplifier. That's the name of the king. So I was just testing this today and I realized you can really push this plugin. So in this test I'm gonna show you how it stays clear and clean and transparent when you are pushing it to minus 20 dB gain reduction. So let's push it.
So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream, and baby always dreams with me. So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream, and baby always dreams with me.
Input is in max amount and this compressor is really being pushed. It is really interesting for me that a plugin could act like a real gear. Usually plugins go dirty and introduce weird artificials when you are overdriving them or trying to use them as a gear. But this plugin is really doing really well. And it's free for now. So input is cranked up. Ratio is 8:1 and attack and release, as you can see. I've tried to keep unity gain, but I think I'm a little bit lower than the actual vocals gain.
So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream. So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream. So on the side I like to.
Of course, it is not how you would use this compressor on popular songs, popular music. So let's decrease this input as much as it pains me, but let's decrease it.
So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream, and baby always dreams with me. But it gets a little harder to go there anymore, and to care when I pretend that I'm aware. So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream.
It is really transparent, guys.
So on the side I like to drink up, lay back and dream, and baby always dreams with me. But it gets a little harder to go there anymore, and to care when I pretend that.
In this part, the vocal is really dynamic and has energies. It's just, let's check it right here, that our settings, how would work here.
But it gets a little harder to go there anymore, and to care when I pretend that I'm aware. And driving to the Rockies, and driving to the Rockies, and driving to the Rockies, and driving to the Rockies. It gets a little harder to go there anymore, and to care when I pretend that I'm aware. And driving to the Rockies with only stars above to fall. And driving to the Rockies with only stars above. And driving to the Rockies with only stars above to fall.
It's really balanced vocal and bring up details, compress those peaks. And it might be weird, but in the settings, it's not that harsh. It's not that FET-like. And it sounds good. I did not talk about other knobs or other stuff because it's just a FET compressor. What matters is that how it sounds like when you push it really hard, when you switch between ratios. I didn't check the ratios. Maybe in other videos we would talk about other ratios too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment below what you think. Have a nice day.